There are many reasons why I like Yarrow. This is a yellow, and that's a, I would say, purple Yarrow. More magenta, I guess. The reason why I like Yarrow, one, it harbors a lot of beneficial insects, i.e. spiders, which is good. But the other reason why, it just produces flowers like crazy. As you can see, these are spent flowers here, but brand new flowers everywhere. You see right here opening up, right here that little like pine cone. There's some more down here. So the more you prune your yarrow, the more it will produce. And you want that. I don't want a plant that just flowers once and I gotta rebuy it. This is perennial. This is here forever, pretty much, if I take care of it. You could even see the yellow is starting to produce some more flowers right here. Amazing. All right, everyone. Bye.